asset allocations, expense ratios, earnings per share. Let's face it, the world of investing is rife with choices, complexities, and foreign jargon. There are, however, two investment phrases that may be more familiar: bull and bear markets. While both are used to describe how markets are performing, they are entirely different animals when it comes to the impact they can have on your portfolio and the investment decisions you make. Welcome to the Mr. Investor channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the terms you have probably heard about: crypto, bear, and bull market, their meaning and use. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to never miss the next video. If you did this, let's get started. We will first clarify where these terms came from. Like a lot of financial terms, the origins aren't clear, but most people believe they derive from the way each animal attacks. Bulls thrust their horns upward, while bears swipe downward with their claws. Well, you'll admit that this is the most logical explanation of the origin of the terms. So, what is a bull market? A bull market, or bull run, is defined as a period where the majority of investors are buying, demand outweighs supply, market confidence is at a high, and prices are rising. If in a given market you see prices quickly trending upwards, this could be a sign that the majority of investors are becoming optimistic or bullish about the price increasing further, and may mean that you're looking at the start of a bull market. Investors who believe that prices increase over time are known as bulls. As investor confidence rises, a positive feedback loop emerges, which tends to draw in further investment, causing prices to continue to rise. Be careful and don't be surprised by the following information. Even during a bull market, there will be fluctuations, dips, and corrections along the way. It can be easy to misinterpret short-term downward movements as the end of a bull market. This is why it's important to consider any potential signs for a trend reversal from a broader perspective, looking at price action over longer time frames. History has shown that bull markets don't last forever, and at some point investor confidence will begin to decline. This could be triggered by anything from bad news like unfavorable legislation to unforeseen circumstances like the COVID-19 pandemic. A sharp downwards price movement can begin a bear market where more and more investors believe prices will continue to fall, causing a downward spiral as they sell to prevent further losses. If this is clear to you and you now know what a bull market is, let's see what's next after it: the bear market. Bear markets are defined as a time where supply is greater than demand, confidence is low, and prices are falling. Pessimistic investors who believe prices will continue to fall are therefore referred to as bears. Bear markets can be difficult to trade in, particularly for inexperienced traders. It's notoriously difficult to predict where the bear market might end and when the bottom price has been reached, as rebounding is usually a slow and unpredictable process that can be influenced by many external factors, such as economic growth, investor psychology, and world news or events. But they can also present opportunities. After all, if your investment strategy is longer term, buying during a bear market can pay off when the cycle reverses itself. And finally, to repeat, what are the main differences between these two terms? Well, the characteristics of the bull market are high demand, weak supply, a strong economy, more trading, high confidence, and a higher number of international investments. While the character of the bear market is the opposite: low demand, high supply, a weak economy, less trading, low confidence, and a lower number of international investments. You must have learned a lot of new information from this video, and you can see the difference between the two terms. That's why this video deserves you to press the like button. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. That's all for today. See you soon.